Hello students, yesterday we solved questions of arithmetic mean for discrete series as well as for continuous series. Today we will be solving few more problems. Let us see the first problem. A business survey conducted following results regarding companies achieving a net sales. Net sales are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 100. Okay. Frequency is 3, 9, 11, 7, 5 and 2. Now, in this problem, if you see the width of the class is not same. Here, just a second, I'll change the color. Yeah. So here the difference is 10 and here the difference is 40. Here it's 20, right? So width of the class is not same in all the cases, right? So that means we cannot use step deviation method, right? We can use either direct method or deviation method. Third method we cannot use because the width of the class is not same, right? So let's solve this problem using deviation method because calculation in case of deviation method is easier. So we will solve using deviation method, okay, which is also called as shortcut method. So my net sales, which is X, is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then 40 to 60 and 60 to 100. Frequency is given 3, 9, 11, 7, 5 and 2. My next column will be M, midpoint. So midpoint will be 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, which is 15. 20 plus 30, which is 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2. So 70, so 35. 60 plus 40 divided by 2. So 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 60 plus 100, that is 160. 160 divided by 2 will be 80. So this is my midpoint. Okay. Now the formula for arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon n, right? N is total of frequency. Let's calculate the total. 3 plus 9 plus 11 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. 23, 30, 35, 36, 37. So total of frequency is 37. Okay. Submission FD. Now D is, let's calculate D. D is M minus A. Okay. I will consider 5 as A, which is assumed mean. Okay. So 5 minus 5, 0. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 5, 20. 35 minus 5, 30. 50 minus 5, 45. 80 minus 5, 75. Okay. Technically, I should take 25 or 35 as assumed mean. Okay, it would be better if I take 35 as assumed mean. I don't want students to make any calculation mistake. So I take the lowest number as A. Okay, that becomes the sum. That makes the sum easier. Okay. So M minus A is D. Okay. So next is F into D. F into D. 3 into 0, 0. 9 into 10, 90. 11 into 20, 220. 7 into 3 is 21. 210. 45 into 5. 5, 20, 22. 225. 2 into 75 is 150. Okay. Total this. 8. Yeah. So submission FD is 895. Okay. So let's substitute. A is 5 plus submission FD is 895 divided by 37. So 5 plus 895 divided by 37. Let's do 895 divided by 37. Where's my calculator? 895 divided by 37. It comes to 24.19. So 24.19, which is now 29.19. 24.19 plus 5 is 29.19. So arithmetic mean is 29.19. Okay. So in this problem we couldn't do step deviation method, okay, because the width was not same, right? So here it is 40, here it is 20, here it is 10. So width is not same. So that's why we could not do step deviation method. So we did deviation method. When the width is equal, then we can do step deviation method. You can use any method, okay? But in case of shortcut method, shortcut method and deviation method, the calculation is easy. In deviation method, in step deviation method, the calculation is simplest, very simple. Okay, but the thing is, then you have to remember all the formulas. Okay, find the mean of the following frequency distribution. So here 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So here the width is same. Everywhere the width is 20, right? Everywhere the width is 20. So because the width everywhere is 20, you can solve using all the three methods. You can use direct method, you can use deviation method, and you can use step deviation method. Okay. Because in this sum we can use step deviation method. So let's solve this problem using step deviation method. So X and F is already there. I'll not write once again. Okay. Next column is M, which is midpoint. So midpoint here would be 0 plus 20 divided by 2, which is 10. 20 plus 40, that is 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. Right? 50, 70, 90, 110 and 130. These are the midpoints. Your next column will be D. In this case, D is M minus A divided by C. M minus A divided by C. Correct? M minus A divided by C. What is C? C is the width, which is 20. Right? And A, I will take the first number as A. Okay. So 10 minus 10 divided by 20. So 0 divided by what? Any number is 0 only. 30 minus 10, which is 20. 20 divided by 20, 1. 50 minus 10, which is 40. 40 divided by 20 is 2. 70 minus 10 is 60. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you have M, you have D. Your next column will be F into D. Right. The formula is x bar is equal to A plus summation FD upon N into C. Right. Where C is equal to 20, C is equal to 20 and A is equal to 10. F into D, summation FD we have to find, and N is total of frequency. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 16 plus 27 plus 17 plus 6. So when you calculate this, it comes to 80. So, okay, your next column is FD. So 2 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 7 into 2, 14. 16 into 3, 48. 27 into 4, 108. 17 into 5, 85. 6 into 6, 36. When you total this is summation FD. Total it, you get 296. Okay. So A is 10 plus summation FD. Summation FD is 296 divided by N, which is 80, multiplied by C, which is 20. Okay. You can put this in bracket if you want to, so that you don't make any calculation mistake. 10 plus, let's solve this, 296 divided by 80 multiplied by 20. 296 divided by 80 multiplied by 20. You get 74. So 10 plus 74 is 84. So arithmetic mean of this given problem is 84. Okay. Let's see the next question. Calculate arithmetic mean of the following frequency distribution: 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Okay, this is a problem where the class, it is a inclusive class, right? See, the upper limit of the first class and lower limit of the second class is not same. So that means this is inclusive class. Okay, it doesn't matter if it is inclusive class or exclusive class when you are calculating arithmetic mean. So let's calculate arithmetic mean. If you see here, the difference is 9, 9, 9. Everywhere the difference is 9 only, right? So that means the width is same. So width is same. You can use solving step deviation method. You can use solving deviation method and direct method in all the cases. But step deviation method, you have to make sure, if you are using step deviation method, you have to make sure that the width is same. So here width is same. So let us solve using step deviation method. Okay. In the exam, you can use any method and solve. Okay. Now, midpoint. Midpoint in this case will be 0 plus 9 divided by 2. 0 plus 9 divided by 2 is 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. 10 plus 19, which is 29. 29 divided by 2. 29 divided by 2 is 14.5, right? Yeah, 14.5. 20 plus 29 divide by 2, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5 and 54.5. So these are the midpoints. Okay. Yeah, next column is D. D is M minus A divided by C. Here C is equal to 9. C is equal to 9? No. C is not is equal to 9 in this case because it is a inclusive class. Okay. In case of inclusive class, what happens? 0 is included, as well as when you take inclusive class, 0 is included and 9 is also included, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers are included. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 numbers. So that means C is equal to 10. You cannot take C is equal to 9. In case of exclusive class, what happens? Yeah. So this was a exclusive class where 20 is upper limit of the first class and 20 is the lower limit of the second class. When you see this class, the numbers which are included are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 19 it is included. Okay. 20 comes in the second class. Right. So when you calculate, it is from 0 to 19. Right. Got it? So, though the difference is 9, when you do 9 minus 0, the difference is 9, but C is still is equal to 10 because this is a inclusive class. Okay. And in case of inclusive class, 0 is included and 9 is also included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you count, there are 10 numbers. Okay. Similarly, 10 to 19, 10 is included and 19 is also included. So again, there are 10 numbers. So when I write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, again there are 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So C is equal to 10. Okay? I can choose any number as A from M. Okay? I'll take the smallest number as A so that my calculation becomes easy. Okay. So 4.5 minus 4.5 is 0. 0 divided by 10 is also 0. Then 14.5 minus 4.5 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 24.5 minus 4.5 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 3, 4, 5. Next column is FD. F into D. Okay. So F into D. 2 into 0. 0. 14 into 1. 14. 20 into 2. 40. 31 into 3 is 93. 30 into 4. 120. 8 into 5. 40. Okay. We need total of frequency and we need total of FD. So N is equal to, let's calculate this, 2, 6, 7, 15. 1 carry, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 105. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 307. So summation FD is equal to 307. The formula in case of step deviation method is x bar is equal to A plus summation FD upon N into C. Okay. So A, let's substitute. A is 4.5. Summation FD is 307 divided by 105 multiplied by 10. Okay. So 307, Bode-Morse rule, first you multiply and divide and then you add, right? So to avoid the confusion, you can put a bracket. So 307 divided by 105 into 10. 307 divided by 105, sorry. 105 into 10. It comes to 29.23. The third decimal is 8. So I'll write 29.24. Okay. So let's add. So 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33.74. Okay, so arithmetic mean is 33.74. Okay, let's see the next problem. From the following distribution, find arithmetic mean. 312 to 315, 316 to 319. Again, this is inclusive class. Okay. So, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, the difference is 4, 16, 17, 18, 19. Again 4, 20, 21, 22, 23. Again 4, 24, 25, 26, 27. Again 4, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, 32, 33, 34, 35. So that means my C is equal to 4. Okay. So I'll solve using step deviation method because the width is same. Okay. So C is equal to 4. X is given. Number of days are given. Now let us calculate midpoint first. So my midpoint 312 plus 315 divide by 2. It comes to 313.5. Okay. 316 plus 319 divide by 2. So 317.5. 320 plus 323 divide by 2. So 321.5. 325.5, 329.5 and 333.5. These are the midpoints. My D, because I'll take this as A, okay, my D will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you take first number, first M as A, your D is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in case of step deviation method. Only in step deviation method. Okay. because D is M minus A divided by C. Okay, and FD. So F into D. 5 into 0, 0. 33 into 1, 33. 65 into 2, 130. 76 into 3, 228. 63 into 4, 258. 18 into 5, 90. Okay, now submission FD. Let's total this, and we need to total this also. So when you total it, you get here 260 and here 733. Okay, the formula x bar is equal to A plus submission FD upon N into C. A is 313.5 plus 733 divided by 260 into 4. Because C is 4, right? C is equal to 4 because it is inclusive class. So 312, 313, 314 and 315. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 313.5 plus, let us divide this. 733 divided by 260 into 4. 733 divided by 260 into 4, which is 11.28. So when you total this, 313.5 plus 11.28, you get 324.78. Okay. So arithmetic mean for this question is 324.78. Let's see the next problem. Class interval and frequency is given. Okay, below 10. Below 10 means 0 to 10. Okay. So here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 and above is given. So it is actually 60 to 70 only. Okay. So my class interval, that is x, will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Frequency is given. 0 to 10 is 6, 10 to 20, 23, 37, 18, 16, 10, 10. Next is midpoint. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, 60 to 70. This is exclusive class. Okay. So yeah. So 10 minus 0 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay. 20 minus 10 divided by 2. So 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Okay. Next is D. D is M minus A divided by C. Here C is equal to 10, right? And 5 is my A. So you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next column is FD. F into D. 6 into 0, 6. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 0, 0. 23 into 1, 23. 37 into 2, 74. 18 into 3, 54. 16 into 4, 64. 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 6, 60. When you total this, okay. So let's solve. X bar is equal to A plus summation FD upon N into C. My A will be 5 plus summation FD is 325 divided by 120 into C. C is 10. So 5 plus, I can just cancel 0, 0. 325 divided by 12. 325 divided by 12 is 27.03083. So I'll just write 08. 27.08. Okay. So 27 plus 5. So 32.083. Okay. This shall be the answer. Let's solve the next problem. Calculate the arithmetic mean of the following data. Below 10. Below 10 means 0 to 10, right? And then 10 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 100, 100 to 150. Okay. So here what is happening? I'll just write it once again. 0 to 10. So X is below 10 means 0 to 10, right? It's never in negative, okay? And then 10 to 30 and 30 to 60 and then 60 to 100. So if you see the pattern, so difference is 10, 20, 30, 40 and next is 100 to 150. So this is 50 and next is 150 and above. We don't know till where. So I'll keep 60 difference. I'll make sure the difference is 60. Okay. So that's why it should be 150 to 210. Right. So here the width is not same. Right. The width are different in every class. So we cannot use step deviation method. We can use either direct method or shortcut method. We solved problems using shortcut method. So let us solve using direct method this time. So 8, 19, 23, 29, 11 and 6. Let us solve this sum using direct method. So when you use direct method, you can, again I would like to say, you can use direct method or deviation method. You cannot use step deviation method because the width is not same. This time let us use direct method. So for direct method, the formula is x bar is equal to summation fm upon n. So m is midpoint. So here midpoints are 5, 10, 5, 15. Oh no, it's not 15, sorry. 5 and then 20, 90, 45, 160, 80, 250 divided by 2 is 125, 550, 210, that is 360 half is 180. Okay, so midpoints are 5, 20, 20, 45, 80, 125 and 180. Correct? You want summation fm. N is total of f. So n is equal to, you total this, you get 96. Next column is fm, f into m. So 8 into 5, 19 into 20. Okay, 23 into 45, 1035, 29 into 80, 2320, 11 into 125, 1375, 180 into 6, 1080. When you total this, that is summation fm, capital M, will be 6230. So x bar is equal to 6230 divided by 96. And when you calculate this, you get 64.90. Okay, same problem we can use deviation method as well. Okay, so you know the formula in case of deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon n. You can put this in bracket. Okay, solving this in deviation method, let that be your homework. Okay, do it as a homework and your answer should be 64.90. Okay, that's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much.